So hey guys, so I want to do a vlog. I'm obviously on a trip here with Armand. There he is. And I decided that I'm gonna film him vlogging. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna film him vlogging, and yeah, I think it can be fun. And then we'll eat fun stuff as well. So I think the week is gonna be cool. He's vlogging now. That's Armand. He has his own channel. So cool, we're on top of Elephant's Head, and yeah, let's see how the week goes on. There's Armand. He's busy vlogging. He's vlogging by the ocean. So happy to be here. Look at him. Awesome. Okay, so we made it to PE, and yeah, looking to have some fun. And yeah, let's get into this thing. So we got our food from the roadhouse. There's Armand's food there.
Calamari toasted wrap.
That's it, lekker. Got myself a gourmet booty roll. Looks like this. That's a gourmet booty roll. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So it works in, yeah, at the roadhouse here is you stop, they bring the food to you, you chow in your car, and yeah, you look at the ocean. So we're gonna chow down. This is our food. Here we go for it. Long pants, work clothes at the beach,
And mask.
the Armand. Following this vlogger is very interesting. He seems to find himself in his natural habitat right now, looking at his phone. This is fun. And tonight we are doing the Gatsby. Armand said that he's going to eat half of it. He looks ready for it, and we're going to show you guys the Gatsby. It's going to be awesome. It's lekker food, and he's gonna be sick full. Sick full. Full. It's big, he's hungry. Look at him. So I kind of told Armand, convinced him to do a jump for us down here. Now he says it's too far. It's high. Don't break anything, Armand. He's a papa. Convinced him to jump up there. Okay guys, we're here with Armand now. So Armand, what do you think the Gatsby is? Tell us, what do you think is in it? You've never seen one before. You've seen a picture, but you don't know what do you think it's going to taste like? We just want a summary before and after you eat this.
Well, I'm already getting angry for it, but I think it's going to be filled with all sorts of exciting foods like lettuce, meats, tomatoes, all kind of vegetables, and it's just going to be amazing to eat. I'm just going to devour it down. Yeah.
That's it. Had to order. Now it's time for it to come. Okay, unwrap him, bro. Unwrap. The Gatsby, bro. The Gatsby.
Yes.
That's how big the Gatsby is. Armand, are you ready, bro? He's not ready. Armand's so chowy.
Finished.
So this is the end of the vlog. Me filming Armand. He's the main star of my vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed him. And this is just a little bit of his life when he's away from home. He loves the ocean. And just want to ask you guys, please like and subscribe this video. Please go and like and subscribe his videos. Go and check out his videos. He actually made a vlog of each and every day. So please go and check it out and go and like and subscribe there as well. And cheers guys, see you again.